We are shaping a system where Filipino children can learn well, grow resilient, and live their dreams.
The 25 years of the Knowledge Channel Foundation is a meaningful legacy, a journey of learning, empowerment, and hope for every Filipino child. Year after year, our mission continues to bring quality education to every home, every school and child development center, and every community space, wherever learners may be.
Napakalaking tulong ko dahil pinadadali ng Knowledge Channel ang mga paraan ng aking mga kaguro kung paano mas lalong ipaiintindi, kung paano ipapaliwanag at kung paano para nila gagamitin ng Knowledge Channel sa pagtuturo sa kanilang mga mag-aaral.
Yung mga educational games, yung mga video lessons na align sa MELCO na kailangan po ng mga teachers nowadays.
From early childhood care and development to basic education to alternative learning and lifelong education, the Knowledge Channel has been part of every Filipino learner's journey. Together with teachers, parents, and students, we've made education more accessible to all, believing in its power to uplift and transform lives.
Isa ito sa magandang paraan ng pagtuturo dahil nagiging makulay at saka nakikipag-interact yung mga bata dahil sa ganitong klase ng pagtuturo.
Hindi lang naman po sa school natin maia-apply yung mga napanood natin sa Knowledge Channel, kundi na rin po sa pang-araw-araw na buhay natin.
I grew up watching Knowledge Channel, and as I grow up, I really wanted to be part of the team.
Sabi ko, mas maganda pala kapag may Knowledge Channel kaya.
On air, online, and offline, the Knowledge Channel continues to evolve, delivering the same quality video-based learning resources anytime, anywhere, even in the remote upland and island communities in the Philippines.
Kargador po ang mga kabayo dito upang maipahatid ang mga learning materials at maipalabas sa kanila ang Knowledge Channel. Makita mo talaga at nag-i-enjoy sila sa kanilang pagkatuto.
They are looking forward for another day papunta ng school kasi excited silang pumasok po para makita kami at makinig sa ituturo po namin gamit yung mga video lessons at galing.
Beyond content, we empower those who make learning happen, equipping teachers, child development workers, and caregivers with the tools and mindset to bring video-based learning to life in every classroom and learning space.
Doon maturuan ang mga bata na paggamit ng makabagong teknolohiya. Dahil kung di sa kanila, hindi namin makakamit yung aming hinahangad na mataas na antas ng edukasyon.
So instead of bringing visual aids to be our instructional materials, we utilize the video. So it really helped both the teacher and the learner.
Ipagpatuloy po ninyo ang inyong misyon upang marami pa kayong batang Pilipino ang matutunan at maraming gurong Pilipino ang matuto sa inyo.
25 years of partnership with schools, child development and learning centers, communities, donors and allies, united by one vision to make relevant, values-based and transformative education a reality.
Your steadfast commitment as champion for young learners continue to make a lasting impact.
Knowledge by Knowledge that UNESCO UNICEF for the power of your videos transforming educational outcomes. I know you're still trying to do more.
For every child who learns, for every teacher who inspires, and for every Filipino who believes in the power of knowledge, this is our story.
The true measure of our success lies in the positive impact that we have on others and has inspired us to work on improving the education system in the Philippines.
As we celebrate this milestone, we look forward to the next chapter, where every Filipino child, no matter where they are, has the opportunity to learn to dream and live better lives. Because transformative education is not just our mission, it's our promise. "25 years of meaningful service, of joyful discoveries, and of sparking hope for the next generation. Leading with heart and striving for excellence for every Filipino child. Knowledge Channel Foundation. 25 years of reaching more, teaching more,